Mandy. Today we're on Little Hawk Lake doing a Cinderella toilet install. Come along and I'll show you the process. We are in a really remote location here. We're at least a 10-minute snowmobile ride or boat ride to this cottage. There's no hydro and it would be very expensive to have barges come in to dig a septic. Cinderella toilets are a perfect fit for people in this situation. The family is able to have a waste solution for a fraction of the cost that just makes their cottage more accessible and enjoyable for them.
These toilets offer a completely waterless solution that look and perform just like a standard toilet, and our team can have a unit fully installed in just a few hours. The first thing we do is get rid of your old toilet and make room for your new unit. Our install team will put a small hole in the wall to run exhaust venting to exhaust any heat expelled during the incineration process. A line is installed between the toilet and the propane tank, which will provide the energy required to run the unit. The next step is to fasten the toilet to the floor. With only a 12-volt DC power source, one solar panel, and one battery to power the fan, this family will have their Cinderella toilet operational. You've probably considered composting toilets or an outhouse, but none of these options will give you the comfort and satisfaction that a Cinderella Incineration toilet will give you. They're also the best solution for the environment. These high-tech units will turn your waste into a tiny amount of ash that is completely eco-friendly. The ash will be deposited below the unit in a hopper. The toilet will let you know when it's time to empty it out. With Cinderella, you will never have to worry about frozen pipes or leaky septic systems again. Bring your cottage back to life in the winter and get back to the Great White North.
This family really cherishes their time up north, and before they weren't able to use their cottage in the winter, only in the summer. And now that they have a waste solution, they can use it year-round.